Hey guys, it's Randy with Lowbuck LS here again, and this is going to be a quick video this week. It's been kind of a week from hell. It's 30 below up here in Alberta, Canada, and that makes things super busy for me at work right now. I work out in the oil and gas industry, and actually I'll show you just for kicks. I'll show you a picture of what I looked like when I was working out in minus 30 yesterday morning. It's beginning of February 2019 here. And I'll show you how miserable it looked when I was out working yesterday. So I'll put a picture up right now. The other thing is I've got to move my truck out of the shop. So I haven't been able to do anything on the truck this week. I've been working like 12-hour days. But I do have, we'll do a quick unboxing this week. Because I want to commit to putting out a video every Tuesday night, so I want to get into that habit and stay consistent with it. So a few videos back, it's probably 4 or 5 now, I unboxed. I had ordered the passenger side hooker cast manifold, and now I've got the crossover pipe and the driver's side. So I'll get that stuff unboxed, and we'll show you what's going to be coming up over the next few episodes. And yeah, I also wanted to say there's a lot of guys commenting and liking the videos and stuff, and those comments have actually been really helpful. There's been a couple of you guys that have really given me some good ideas and helped solve some problems. So thanks for watching, and thanks for your comments. I appreciate the input and the engagement. So thanks a lot, and we're getting close to 200 subscribers now, so the channel is going in the right direction, so I appreciate the support. Now we'll get right to it, and I'll get these things out of the box and show you what my new hot side is going to look like, so stand by. Having a rough day here. Don't have the little microphone on that I normally use so you guys can hear me. But anyways, there's the crossover pipe from Holley. It is, I'll figure out the part number here for it in a second. It is, which one is this? Oh, it's for the, it's the 15 HKR for GM 4L60E and 4L80E, which I'm hoping at some point I'll have a 4L80E in my truck. So there's the crossover pipe. And the lighting is, I gotta learn how to like film stuff better. I look back when I'm editing this stuff and the light does weird things. And there is the, I guess that'd be the driver's side log manifold. We'll get it out of the plastic here, and I'll lay all this stuff out on the tailgate and show you what it looks like. Stand by. Okay, so I got things laid out on the tailgate here. That is the driver's side hooker cast turbo manifold. We got our crossover pipe that basically this is gonna bolt up with a V-band to there. Crossover pipe, and what I previously unboxed, the passenger side. So these two manifolds you can get as a set as the 8510 HKR. I bought them separately just to spread out the cost. And this crossover pipe is the 8515 HKR, and then we're going to have to fabricate, put a, I think that's a 3-inch V-band, and put a tight 90, otherwise we're going to run into the radiator, and fabricate a pipe for the to go over to the wastegate on the turbo. So that is all 3 pieces right there. Try and zoom out as much as I can. And yeah, so once, I'm hoping the cold snap will be over soon and I won't be as busy at work and I can get back in the shop here. I'll just turn around the camera for a sec. Just hang on. So yeah, we'll get back. We got to finish up our injectors, pull the injectors, the stock injectors out of the truck, decap them, try and match them up as best we can with the set I decapped in the previous video. And then we'll do some street tuning with HP tuners using the real-time tuning. And then we'll get to work on this hot side, putting these hooker cast manifolds on and fabricating the hot side and the downpipe, and then we'll have to do a new cold side as well. So that's all what's going to be coming up on the channel here. I wish I could have done a more in-depth video this week, but sometimes life just doesn't cooperate. So but again, thanks so much for commenting and watching and subscribing, and appreciate your guys' support. So we'll talk to you next Tuesday. Have a great week. Bye for now.